Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2128. Women who are clothed yet naked. We live in a time where appearance has become one of the biggest obsessions in society. Everywhere people are pressured to display themselves. Social media too rewards exposure. Fashion trends constantly push boundaries, and modesty is often treated as a weakness instead of dignity. More than 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad warned about a group of people near the end of time. He described women who are clothed yet naked. This hadith is deeply serious, but it must also be understood with wisdom and balance. Because Islam does not humiliate women, Islam honors women, and the purpose of this warning is not to shame people, but to protect hearts, dignity, and society itself. Scholars explained that clothed yet naked can refer to people who wear clothing outwardly, but the clothing is so revealing, tight, transparent, or designed to attract attention that the purpose of modesty is lost. And honestly, look at the pressure modern society places, especially on women today. Constant pressure to look perfect, to gain validation through appearance, to expose more in order to feel, expect, admired, or valued. Young girls grow up surrounded by unrealistic beauty standards. Many begin measuring their worth through likes, attention, and online approval, and slowly, modesty starts feeling strange while exposure becomes normalized. But Islam teaches something beautiful. A woman's value is not defined by how much attention she attracts. Her dignity, intelligence, faith, character, and relationship with Allah are far greater than temporary beauty trends. Modesty in Islam is not the oppression, it is a protection, honor, self-respect. And modesty is not only for women. Islam commands modesty for men and women both, lowering the gaze, protecting their heart, speaking with respect, dressing with dignity. Because Islam wants society built on character, not obsession with physical display. Today, many industries profit from insecurity. People are constantly made to feel not good enough unless they follow certain trends, wear certain styles, or seek constant attention. But no amount of public attention can fill a heart disconnected from Allah. Some people appear admired outwardly, while internally feeling exhausted and anxious and emotionally empty. Because real confidence does not come from exposing yourself to the world, it comes from knowing your worth before Allah. This hadith is not about judging people harshly. Believers are taught humility, wisdom, and compassion. Every struggle in different ways. Every one is on a journey toward Allah. The goal is not arrogance towards others. The goal is self-reflection in a world constantly pulling people toward exposure and temptations. Believers should strive to protect their hearts and dignity sincerely, and every person who chooses modesty for the sake of Allah, whether man or woman, is honored by Allah even if society misunderstands them. Fashion trends will change, beauty standards will change, public attention fades quickly, but the dignity of a soul connected to Allah never fades. So never let society convince you that your value depends on how much of yourself you display to the world. Your value comes from your faith, your character, your sincerity, and your closeness to Allah. Because near the end of the time, modesty may become rare. But those who protect their dignity for the sake of Allah carry a beauty far deeper than anything this world can offer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.